Show me your identity, please.
Yes, here it is.
What is your full name?
My full name is Jugraj Singh.
How may I address you?
You can address me by my first name, Jugraj.
Okay. Okay, Jugraj. So, what type of house or flat do you live in?
I live in a house. It's two-story house, and there are 4 rooms and one living room and drawing room with attached bathroom and a kitchen. There is a small lawn in the front of my house and a garden at the backyard of my house.
Okay. What do you like about living there?
I mostly like about my house because I decorated it according to my taste.
What type of accommodation would you like to live in your future?
In future, I would like to live in that house. There all the amenities will be available, such as modern lifts and high-speed Wi-Fi.
Okay, Jugraj. So that is the end of your part 1 intro.
Yes, sir.
For part 2, here is your cue card topic along with paper and a pencil. You have 1 minute to prepare on your given topic. After that, you will be given 2 minutes to speak on your topic.
Yes.
Your 1 minute preparation time starts now. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please start speaking.
When I was young, I had no interest in art exhibition, but last time I visited to the Delhi. I have been to the Modern Art Gallery in Delhi, and I had tagged along with my friends to just get some refreshment, but there was a painting exhibition held by one of the non-profitable organization, and I vividly remember that it was organized on the rooftop of the Modern Art Gallery, and the location of the Modern Art Gallery is considered one of the primary location in New Delhi, the capital of India, and it is very popular among the tourists all over the world. Initially, there was a painting of a local artist, but to surprise me, there was also a section of international painters such as Leonardo da Vinci and Picasso. And there was also a painting of Indian artists such as Rabindranath Tagore and Raja Ram Verma. And there was a section of paintings about the India's independence war. And I saw that. Firstly, I saw the painting of Mangal Pandey, which was the first freedom fighter of India who executed by Britishers. When he was executed, he was just 24 years old. And I also saw the painting of Bahadur Shah Zafar, which was the last emperor of India. And I saw the painting of his sons when the Britishers showed his sons cut head to him. And that time I was wondering that how he must have felt at that time when the Britishers showed him his son's head. And I moved forward from that, and then I saw the painting of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. They were national martyrs of our country. And that time I bought one of the painting of Bhagat Singh. After some time, I met to the manager of the organization, and he told me the idea behind the exhibition is to collect the money for the needy people as well as cancer patient. So I donated some money in this exhibition, and in future I will keep visiting such exhibitions.
Okay, Jugraj. So that is the end of part 2 cue card.
Yes, sir.
Please pass back the pencil, paper and cue card, please.
Yes.
Thank you so much. For part 3, I will ask you some more questions, follow-ups regarding to your part 2 cue card.
Okay.
Do you like art?
Yes, I like art. It's a good way to bring out the hidden talent of anyone.
How do you think art classes affect children's development?
Art classes affect the cognitive development of children because anyone can increase the imagination power of a child with this paintings exhibition.
What can you learn from Western paintings?
In the Western painting, last time I saw the painting by Leonardo da Vinci. It was the painting about a mother and her child, and a mother carry her child in his lap, and I was aware that it was a symbol of love.
What benefits can you get from painting as a hobby?
As a hobby, I get several benefits from painting. As I mentioned, it's a good way to bring out a hidden talent.
Okay, Jugraj. So that is the end of your speaking part.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.